Daddy killed the corner. He's getting it all taken care of. What the weed eater couldn't get, he's getting it with the clippers. We got that mess.
This was growing in the corner. No more.
So, now I'm gonna have to worry about somebody stealing the air conditioner because we got this corner clean. People's been breaking in through that window. They've been shoving the air conditioner to the floor and coming in over there. So we decided to let this corner be nasty so they would stop breaking into the damn house. But here comes the city and says my natural safety barrier has to be cut down.
Is that what you told them? They said no, you can't do that?
Yeah. They know I let this corner get overgrown when I have people coming in through that window. I've been here for 20-something years. And that's my only way of staying safe. And this is the fence that got torn up. So we're going to have to deal with that tomorrow. Yeah, that fence, this fence was standing nice and straight and tall.
Okay.
Okay, and Hector and them knocked it down with sledgehammers. And they didn't have to do that to put their fence up. So we got us another little pile to take to the dump. Plus all of that over there. I'm hurting really bad. Oh, and there's the little kitty over there. That little kitty's been keeping me busy, keeping me company for 4 or 5 days now. She's a sweet little kitty. We didn't quite make it. We didn't quite make a 4th trip to the dump today. We just had it too much. I hurt too much.